Hello and welcome to the training video for knowing the Brunei Darussalam Accounting Standards for BDAS 8, Construction Contracts. My name is Fatin from Dynamic Technologies and I will be your vocal guide for today. Construction contracts under BDAS 8 should be recognized as revenue and expenses, respectively to the stage of completion to the contract activity at the balance sheet date. It comprised of two categories such as BDAS 8.1 called the contract cost and BDAS 8.2 contract revenue. Contract costs under BDAS 8.1 includes costs directly to the contract, costs attributable to the contract, and costs chargeable to the customer. To record contract costs, let's assume the following. Power Sendirian Berhad is a diverse construction group. On 1st January 2016, it won a year of the contract to construct an intra-city dedicated bus tracks in Brunei for a total price of $300,000. The cost incurred during the year was $80,000. Amount billed during the year was $100,000 and the amount collected during the year was $100,000. Following accounting entries for this scenario is debit the contract cost for $80,000 and credits the account payable with the same amount. This is a vendor bill transaction. The vendor bill transaction for this scenario will look like this in Accounting Plus under BDAS 8.1 Record Contract Costs. Please also note the bill ID created by the system for future reference. Moving on to BDAS 8.2 is to record contract revenue. Contract revenue includes initial revenue agreed in the contract and variations in contract work, claims, and incentive payment. Let's use the same sample scenario from previous BDAS 8.1, but the difference with the scenario here is that we are recording the contract revenue. Therefore, the accounting entries are divided into two, which is to record when the amount was billed, which is debit the accounts receivable with the amount of $100,000 and credit with the same amount with sale. The second entry, on the other hand, will be to record the amount collected, which is debit the cash for $100,000 and credit the accounts receivable with the same amount. This transaction is a customer invoice entry since revenue is recorded during collection. The representation of the customer invoice transaction will look like this in Accounting Plus. Do note the invoice ID for future reference. If you need more help, guidance, or demo on how to get started, we will be more than pleased to assist you. You may contact us with the following details as shown. Thank you for watching the course video for BDAS 8 Construction Contracts.